Good morning to my people this morning. A blessed Sunday morning to you. This morning I'm busy cooking already, but today I want to show you how I make the Jamaican gizzarda, otherwise known as pinch me round. Come in, Jesse. So here I have to blend out our grated coconut, which I'm going to add some sugar to. Alright, I can't tell you how much sugar. We just add some sugar, some of the almond and rose water, and we're going to spice it up with a little bit of that. And in between time and the right time, we had a little bit of mixed spice, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit more. Yeah, that's nice. In the argument too, we're going to introduce some nutmeg. The last time I tell you no nutmeg, good for the nerves, very good for the nerves. And we grate that in. And we have that ready, so put a little piece more nutmeg in there, good for your nerves. Alright. So the gizzarda we're making this morning, people. So we roll it. I have to do an intro, you know, because the people them ask me to make everybody know who Mama Susie really is. So I'm original Mama Susie. I mean, if not a Mama Susie there. Original Mama Susie, born in Jubilee Hospital, half grown at Kingston, but full grown at Linstead, a place called Jericho. Jericho, you hear that? Linstead Market, where you carry your quad to go to Linstead Market and your hockey go there and nothing no sell, but everything sell when we don't have Linstead Market still. So right now I do the mix up. Just zoom in on this now, you're there so far. I am moving zoom and thing. Alright, so that's the mix up for the gizzarda. Alright, and thing. So I add all my spices in this. Don't forget a pinch of salt, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some almond, some rose water, and your sugar to taste to how you want it to taste. I don't know brown sugar, but it's still alright, you know. So I'm going to taste it now. Pinch a little bit more salt. Don't forget the salt. I'll do something sweet with me. And pinch a little bit more sugar. Just a little bit more. Alright, Jesse. So we mix up this. Yes, nice. Natural thing. Jesse, come over here for me to show them. Alright. What if we do so over here, I have to prepare third down with my rolling pin. So I'm not a rolling pin. So I use a flour from France. I roll out the dough. I need the dough. The dough needs with a little bit of baking powder, some room butter, which I use my fingertip and do it like how I do the breadcrumbs. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the dough for the cooked coconut. So now we're making a pinch me round. Alright? So this is a sample I'm making for you. Come in, Jesse, come in. Let's see so far. So this is the pinch me round. So here we go. We're going to pinch it around now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have pinch it round, right? And get it ready to put in the coconut. The coconut now have to cook no long time. You understand? So this is the pinch me round, otherwise known as the Jamaican gizzarda. Putting out over here. Hey Jesse, make sure you have the thing on the thing, you know. Roll out another one. Rena, we are good. Make sure you stay good up in my video. Yes, me that tell you now, Mama Susie, original Mama Susie from Linstead, Jerry.